Boots here with my bike check. I got a couple parts. Alright, let's see. I got the ODIs in orange. I'm going to get them in the same color as my frame. I got the bar ends in purple. Stolen big boy bars in purple. Eastern Strangler stem with purple bolts. Let's see, Eastern Dragon forks. The sticker didn't come with it, by the way. Salt peg. I'm gonna get a Shadow Little Ones in aqua blue too, or baby blue, whatever. Alright, this is what I just got new. I got the front tire new. It's a Duo 20.2. No, 2.20. Yeah, 2.20. It's like burgundy, reddish colored wall. I got the new Alienation Black Sheep front wheel. It's single wall. Eastern hub, classic, Eastern classic, purple valve cap. Let's see. Alright, Eastern Tribe cranks. We got those right there. Exposure sprocket in white. I gotta clean it up a little bit. My frame, Eastern Access 2011 in blue, aqua blue. Alright, Shadow seat, pivotal, kick seat post, universal. My dog, Shadow Conspiracy Little One. Get out the way. Shadow Conspiracy Little One in white. We got the Demolition Zero rear wheel in white. Odyssey spokes. Eastern birectional hub. Purple bolts. It's on this side. Odyssey twisteds, by the way. They were gold and now they're like white a little bit. Alright, so that's my bike. It's pretty dialed. No noise whatsoever. Alright, so I got the other tire, the old tire. Got the other tire right here. I have the rim on it. I'm going to get it laced when I get another hub. It's going to be a rear rim. It's Duo, it says it right here. You can't see it that good because the fucking thing. Alright, wait 1 second. I also got the front gold tire that I had on it with the G Sport hub guard. I don't know, you guys tell me if I should keep this one on or switch it back and take that one off. I don't know, they're both light. They weigh the same. By the way, this is Odyssey quadrant rim. Says right here. Laced to its Odyssey spokes and Vandoro 2 front hub. G Sport hub guard. Purple bolts. Animal GLH tire. Alright, so you guys tell me. I'm just trying to mess that one up first, and then I'm going to put my gold one back on. So, alright. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.